Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to 10x your browsing speed by simply learning how to open links using Super Sidebar. I regularly talk to users using email or Discord, and I have found most of you know only 2-3 methods. Actually, there are 7 plus ways of opening links in Super Sidebar, each targeted towards solving different problems in the workflow. And the number 4 is the one which is mostly overlooked and nobody knows about it. So let me take you through all the methods. So if you simply want to click open any link, just click any link and it will open in frontmost browser or your default browser based on the settings you have set. So I will go to the setting workflow. I have set to open it in frontmost browser. There are other options. So as you can see, once I open it here, it will open in the frontmost browser. Now, the other way is using command panel. Suppose you have hundreds of links open and you don't know, or even saved, or even you want to search the history and you don't know what the link was and you roughly remember it. You can simply start typing and you will be able to find it using fuzzy search, and then you can open it using enter or option enter. Option enter allows you to choose the browser. So for now, I will open it in Chrome. Got it. So then there are keyboard shortcuts for opening the link. For example, you can choose different way of opening the link using command click. We will go to shortcuts and then the command click behavior. You can simply easily choose preferred browser frontmost or default, what the command click does. So for example, I have set command click to open in a preview. This will open a floating window, which is not really connected to any browser, but it will show you the website very easily. It's just like our preview. And even you can then choose to which browser this opens in. This is really useful to quickly see what the link is about. Then the fourth way is option click. Option click allows you to quickly choose the browser, or you can just right click to open preview or choose the browser, and this way you are able to move the links to different browsers instantly, so you are not limited. Now we will talk about opening all the links in a folder. So as you can see, there is only one link. Let's find a folder which has multiple links. So this has multiple links. If I click open all, it will then instantly open all the links in the browser. And now we will go to the most important feature, which is air traffic control. Once you learn air traffic control, your user speed will increase tremendously. So let's go to air traffic control. Now, as you can see, I have set up some links which help me. For example, I have set up one rule that CanMe related domains will open in Brave. As you can see, I have one CanMe and it will directly open Brave and open in Brave, saving me a lot of time. This is basically for reading manga. And then we have the personal. Any tab in personal will automatically open in Edge. As you can see, even though this rule was set, the earlier tab, which is in personal, opened in Brave. Why is that? Because CanMe was above the Edge rule. Once you move Edge rule above the CanMe rule, now CanMe will start opening in Edge. As you can see, it is now open in Edge browser. This way you can set different rules and order them perfectly to manage opening of the links. And for example, this will help you open AWS links in one browser and work related links like SEO or your GitHub links in a particular browser where you have signed up. This will increase your speed much faster. If you want to chill and just want to watch some YouTube videos on particular channel, that links can open in particular browser. So there are various ways. You will have to test and try different things. So you can read all the ways to open link document in the Super Sidebar. It shows all the ways if you ever forget or just watch the video. And one important thing that I should have mentioned earlier, which is browser selection priority. So there are so many ways which will open what depends on this priority. If you are using a command click like option, it will open preview because even though air traffic controls were set, because modifier click, any shortcut click is above the air traffic rules. And then comes the workspace default browser you set, or the global setting you have, and then the system browser. So you should keep this in check as well. That's it. Thank you for watching.